Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to verify integrity of game files on Steam client. So to verify integrity of game files on Steam, you can use the built-in functions from the Steam client. This is a useful troubleshooting step if a game is crashing, textures are missing, or experiencing other issues. Then I'll show you a quick method on how to verify. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So before to proceed, then we need first to restart your PC. So by clicking the power button here at left side corner, then you need to click this restart or reboot your PC. So after restarting or rebooting your PC, the next step, then we need to launch the Steam client on here at a search menu, and then you need to type this Steam, and then you need to tap or click this open. And once you launch this Steam client, then we need to log in account here by entering username and password. After entering your username and password, and then you need to tap this sign in. Then we need to enter the code that's sent to email address at our Steam account. After entering this code, then we need to wait for the network to open this Steam client. And then once you open up here at your Steam client, and then next step, go to your library settings here in the top left corner and find the game you want to verify. So just click this games here on the top left corner, and then you need to tap or click this view games library. So here now at left side navigation panel, then you need now to select those installed games here to verify. So all you have to do is to right click the game and select the properties from the drop down menu. So we need to select this installed games here, and then you need to right click, and then you need to select this properties. And once you open up here at the game's properties, and then in the new window that appears here, click on the installed files tab on the left side. So you can see here this installed files here, and then you need to click. And then on right side, you can see now this installed files. Then next step, on right side corner, then you can see this verify integrity of game files. So all you have to do is to click this button. Then you will wait now to complete the verifyings of these game files. Alright, so you can see now it's successfully validated. So Steam will then begin the process, which may take several minutes depending on the size of the game. So what happens when you verify the game files? So when you initiate the process, Steam performs a checksum on the game's local files. This means it compares the files on your computer to the clean, original files stored on the Steam's servers. If any files are missing, corrupted, or have been altered, Steam will automatically re-download and replace them. This process is generally a lot faster than a full reinstall because it only replaces the affected files instead of the entire game. Note that this process may remove third-party modes that you've installed as they are often not part of the original game files. Alright, so you can see now it's successfully validated this file by clicking or verifying this integrity of this game. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.